Welcome to my channel Be Wise. Today's topic: food crops of India. A large variety of crops are grown in different parts of the country, depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. A large variety of food crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. Food crops can be divided into two types: grains and other than grains. Rice is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop. It requires above 25 degrees centigrade temperature, high humidity, and annual average rainfall above 100 centimeter. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Some rice producing states of India are Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. Wheat is a rabi crop. It requires moderate temperature, bright sunshine, and 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. It grows best in well-drained loamy soil. The major wheat-producing states of India are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. Jowar, bajra, and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Jowar requires 26 to 33 degrees centigrade temperature and below 100 centimeter of annual rainfall. Jowar grows best in black soil and alluvial soil. Major jowar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra requires 20 to 28 degrees centigrade temperature and 40 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. It grows well in sandy soil and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi requires 18 to 28 degrees centigrade temperature and 60 to 8 centimeter of annual rainfall. It grows well in red, black, and sandy, loamy, and shallow black soil. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize requires 21 to 27 degrees centigrade temperature. It grows well in old alluvial soil. Use of modern inputs such as high-yield variety seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize-producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Madhya Pradesh. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. Major pulses are arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Pulses requires 20 to 30 degrees centigrade temperature and 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. Pulses, except arhar, help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Major pulses growing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It requires 21 to 27 degrees centigrade temperature and 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. It is the main source of sugar. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Different oilseeds are grown, covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Tea is an important beverage crop. Tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climate. Tea needs 10 to 30 degrees centigrade temperature above 200 centimeter of annual rainfall. Tea grows well in deep and fertile well-drained soil rich in humus. Tea is labor-intensive industry. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Major tea producing states are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Coffee requires 23 to 28 degrees centigrade temperature and 150 to 200 centimeter of annual rainfall. It needs well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Major coffee producing states are Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In 2014, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. Major fruits grown in India are mangoes, oranges, lychees, guavas, pineapples, grapes, apples, pears, apricots, and walnuts. India produces above 13% of the world vegetables. India is an important producer of pea, onion, cabbage, tomato, potato, and cauliflower. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel.